15 interview questions for testing engineers. What is auxiliary relay? A relay that operates to assist another relay or device in the performance of function. Auxiliary relay, and operating time of auxiliary relay. Operating time of lockout relay is less than 10 milliseconds. Operating time of TCS relay is greater than 400 milliseconds. Operating time of trip relay is 30 milliseconds. What are the tests carried out in backup relay? Pickup voltage, drop voltage, pickup current, drop current, coil resistance. IR test to be done for all contacts with 1 kV megaher. All contacts should be checked for close and open. What are the relays used in backup protection? Under voltage, over current, earth fault, under frequency, under current, over frequency, etc. What is frequency relay, and how it's operate? Relay, which functions at a predetermined value of frequency, may be an over-frequency relay, an under-frequency relay, or a combination of both. Working principle of frequency relays. Frequency changes are generally related to the power being supplied. Power from a power company is unlikely to change, however, if the power is generated on site from an inverter, backup type system, or alternative energy, then there is more likely to be issues with frequency. Frequency is important because many electronic devices rely on it for timing. For example, the speed of an AC induction motor is dependent on frequency. An increase or decrease in the frequency could result in an increase or decrease of the motor, causing a problem in an industrial process. Frequency is ultimately dependent on the generator and how fast it is spinning, or in the case of an inverter, the timing circuit in the inverter. Under frequency relays, respond to a decrease in the frequency of an alternating electrical input quantity. Over frequency relays, respond to a frequency increase. They fall under the categories of instantaneous and time over current relays. Purpose of frequency relay? Under frequency, for a load shedding. Over frequency, for generator protection. What is load shedding? The load shedding function provides under frequency protection at the main distribution substation. As system frequency decreases, load is disconnected in discrete steps, according to frequency thresholds. Explain the LVAC, auto changeover scheme. Below column shows the possible and impossible conditions in auto changeover scheme. Kindly go through it. If incomer protection operate, bus coupler will close or not? Bus coupler will not close, since fault exists in incomer, because of which protection is operated. If REF protections operate, bus coupler will close or not? REF is operated, due to some fault in the secondary side of transformer, which will only trip the incomer. Since there is no fault in the load side of incomer, bus coupler can be closed. But for other protection, fault exists in the load side of incomer. Even if you close the bus coupler also, since fault exists in load side, it will trip. Sequence of CT testing: IR value test, polarity test, winding resistance test, knee point voltage test, ratio test. What is knee point voltage? In excitation characteristics, 10% rise the voltage causes 50% rise in exciting current for rated frequency.